on. Today we're going for a bit of a trip to Bordertown, and I'm going to test out this Engel fridge, see how it works on the back of the bike. It's 12 volt, so it's been plugged in to a socket underneath there, and it's a bit of a sunny day, so we'll see how it goes. Anyway, let's check how Joe's going. Ready?
Ready.
Okay, lovely day, nice cool breeze blowing, and we'll head to Adelaide Way. Okay, we just stopped at Nil at the park, and we'll go and check out the boardwalk. And this is the Nil Swamp and Wildlife Reserve, made by Parks Victoria and all that sort of shit. Anyway, we'll go and have a look at the boardwalk. Here's the boardwalk. Now this, there's one important thing you probably should know, or something to remember when you're making a boardwalk, is in a hot climate like this, where it's very dry, is try not to make it out of treated pine, because as we all know with treated pine, once it dries out it warps and splits, and that's what happened to this boardwalk. But anyway, it's been a restoration project done on it over a couple of years. They got some funding from the government and Parks Victoria, and so they restored it. And the boardwalk, really, this is a swamp, and all this area fills up when it rains. It catches a lot of water from the town, it all drains into here. Sometimes it fills up and gets wildlife and frogs and that sort of stuff, but and this takes you on an elevated look through it. Yeah, anyway, there you go. Nil Boardwalk Swamp Boardwalk. There you go. There you go. Petrol and what flavour pies have you got?
I don't know how many times I've said this today.
Yeah, everyone asks.
That's tuna.
Oh.
That's steak kidney,
Oh.
chicken and vegetable, and curry.
Chicken and vegetable, thanks. I have a rotary barbecue. There's a barbecue table. Emu. Hello. Hello. Hey, birds. Parrots. Black cockies. Hello. Ooh. Windmill. Oh, yep. Okay, we're at the park at Bordertown, just opposite the bakery, and the old jail has been converted to a toilet. And we'll check out how the fridge is going. It's been running away. Feels pretty cool. And what the temperature will be. See what the Kestrel says. It says 23. What's that Fahrenheit? It's Celsius. Do you think it's 23 in there? No. Feels cold. Yeah, I don't know. Well, the Kestrel says 23. It feels cold. Anyway. Feels like it's working. Hey, forgot to mention, we're just going back through Canova, and all through the streets here they've got these sheep that they've put out in everywhere, and they're all been painted up in all different colours. They're a bit of a tourist attraction, and they're just lining up and down the streets everywhere. Here's a couple more.